Hi, I'm Lovin from Bluemotion Car Sales. Let's have a look at the Volkswagen Passat. So if we have a look on the outside of the Volkswagen Passat, we can see we've got the front sensors on the vehicle. Also we've got 17-inch black alloys. The engine is a 2-liter diesel with 140 horsepower, which does a great miles per gallon, 61.4, and the road tax is only £30 a year. Very low mileage. We're looking about just under 59,000 miles. It also comes with rear parking sensors, and there's plenty of boot space for that extra luggage if you need it. Inside the spacious cabin you will find the front sport seats with multifunction leather steering wheel. You've got dual air conditioning, cruise control, excellent for long journeys, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and 6-speed manual transmission. Priced at only £7,000, this VW Passat is an excellent car. Come and see Lovin Car Sales for a test drive.